I would say be there, but before going, check out the agenda, look at all the different tracks, make a plan for yourself so that you know when you want to be where. You know, you got to plan, you know, but be prepared to fly by the seat of your pants and change your mind a little bit, but you know, figure out and map out which sessions you want to go to, because there are 75 plus sessions, 100 plus speakers, 4 tracks, and 24 hours of programming on the student side. That's a lot to get through. So be there or be square.